What's going on, everybody, and welcome to Simon's World. Today, the 240 is covered up. I know, it's pretty sad. Fucking drove it once yesterday through my neighborhood, the road, and then on the way back down to my house, fucking two people are standing outside with their phones recording me at like the end of their driveways. I fucking pulled right in, got in the other car, drove up to the first house that was closer. Apologized, that guy was cool, but then the second motherfucker was leaving the driveway of the first guy I apologized to, and literally, while I was leaving his house, a fucking cop rolls by into my house. I was like, oh my god, I'm fucked. And my 240 has no tags, it's not registered, not inspected, so I was fucked. So I just left. So yeah, I covered it up. Don't want to get seen around. That car fucking broke my community's Facebook page. To be completely honest with you guys, that front bumper is all worse than I thought it was. I don't even know if I want to work on it. I might just buy a body kit. Yeah, we'll see. Alright, so Ken and I are actually starting to work on the fucking car right now. And I popped the fucking hood, and this motherfucker is on the car. Oh, damn. That thing's fucking big. That's a big fucking spider. Ken, do you remember the one I tried fucking setting on? Dude, go grab my torch. Should we take it off the car before we burn it left?
Yeah.
Oh man. Cut him if you have to, just smack him with it. Where is he? Where is he? Oh, fuck. Oh, Ken, you fucking lost him. Dude.
I might have gotten him.
Oh, fuck, wow. This is my engine, KA24E. So Ken has been tasked with the job of fixing my front bumper and making it look half decent, while I'm going to try to strip this black paint off because there's actually red paint underneath this, believe it or not. And then I'm gonna sand down my Bondo trunk and then hopefully repaint that and my bumper. Alright, so I bought a wheel here and a bunch of primer.
Paint remover.
Fenders are held on by the bolts on the top. There's normally a hanger there, but it's gone. And then there's probably one back there too. Woohoo. Woo. Fucking who, Ken?
Woo.
Oh, that shit's potent as fuck, dude.
Yeah.
Alright, just let it sit. You can see it's all coming up. This little fucker next to my bolt. Okay, after pulling the fucking fender off, I've come to the conclusion that it's underneath the car, so going in. And I was wrong, this one is still outside. Alright, Ken over here is currently taking apart the fucking angle grinder so we can put a fucking sanding pad on it. You got it, Ken, you can do it. Dude, that front bumper's actually not coming out too bad.
Yeah, it's starting to peel away already.
Beautiful.
Metal fucking paint stripper for metal on plastic.
Horse shit. Alright, yeah, so this thing, I'm just gonna take off the last bolt and then it should be good. This is not the stock mounting point. Well, my car, the front end is now...
Never cracked my ass.
Just a body. Cool.
I don't think it fucking works on plastic.
Fucking idiot put this drift mount here, but bitch is about to come off. Oh, fuck.
Forgot how powerful the blowtorch is. Didn't you, tough guy?
Oh yeah, thought you were so cool.
Oh, it smells like fucking butter. Plastic.
Oh yeah, it does.
Hit it with a golf club.
Smart man. Smart man, Ken. Something tells me he needs a little more peeling.
Don't fucking burn yourself. Oh, and the fucking 4-inch fart can dumbass installed.
Oh, fuck. Oh! That's just a sticky pad.
Ew. Yeah.
Oh, what the fuck?
Ew.
Oh, god damn it. Ah.
It's not even that bad, actually. He fucking put it on and then painted
Yeah, he painted the fucking bracket on. That's great.
What a dumbass.
Like
I stripped my trunk this morning.
You did?
Yeah. I'm trying to get the fucking lock on the radio.
Yeah, look at my fucking cracked tail lights. This thing's fucked, dude. Look how big this fucking pipe is. Oh, she fucking passes. This thing's ridiculous. I need a fucking silencer. What was that, Ken, that you just spotted in the car?
That would be a jewel pod cap.
Let me see that.
Mango.
Oh, that's fucking wonderful. Where's my fucking... Where's my fucking oxygen sensor? Actually, let me check if there's actually one in here. No, there's not. That explains why my car is running like shit, because there's no fucking O2 sensor hooked up. God damn it. Fucking knew they did that.
I wonder where he was planning on putting this fucker.
Oh, thank God he didn't put
Tail
that fucker anywhere. Oh yeah, she's fucking stripped in now, bud.
3-inch wide fucking
Tailpipe. Yeah, you guys like the Wakaba I fucking found? Look at that piece of shit.
right in the garbage.
I wonder why. Why'd you talk
See
about
all
gasket?
that?
Oh, fuck, man.
No gasket.
What happened to my gasket?
Dumbass
Oh,
blew it.
Check this out, guys. What the fuck? Oh, that didn't fucking work.
Ready? I got
Show you. Hit it with the over the shoulder cap. My Jeep rust pile here.
Yeah, I'll make it, Simon. I'm beating your nuts.
Excuse me?
Me.
How come I can't? I literally got it like 5 times before. Oh, we fucking broke it.
We did?
Yeah.
Ah, shit.
Whoop. Perfect.
So what the fuck did you do, guy?
240. Yep, taillight's coming up. Oh, the gasket. This thing should be coming out. She's just not fucking having it, apparently. There's nothing holding it in. Ken, unfortunately, I don't think I have a hammer.
Yeah, I don't see one.
That's what the golf club light is for. Dude, with this fucking...
Thousand years later.
Oh, Ken. Look at the factory seal. Oh, man, dude.
Oh.
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 That's what was fucking... Oh.
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 Yeah.
Well then.
Right, so basically this dumbass is picking up.
Yeah, over here, fucking. Whoop, whoop.
Fenders are starting to be sanded. I started on the fucking bumper.
The car is getting there.
Basically, we're stripping the car. And then we'll see where we go.
Yeah, and then I'm probably gonna roll my fenders while they're out, just because I can.
Just because I can. Fucking PV blaster that shit.
Yeah.
No more rusty bolts for me,
That's
cunt.
all fucking built up with rust and grease and shit. I think it's all past with that. This is literally how this build is. It's just build.
Yeah?
Yep.
To build, we must take apart.
Fuck me. Alright. Well, I'm gonna fucking finish cleaning this up with Ken, and I guess we'll just pick this up tomorrow.
Alright.
Yeah.
Toodaloo.